Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Business Bang. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. Guys, these few words tell us so much about the crucial role that coordination has to play in large business enterprises. Basically, there are three main reasons as to why coordination is gaining so much importance in studying about businesses. First, functional differentiation. Since we are talking about large business organizations, we need to know that they are characterized by the presence of different departments like purchase, marketing, IT, human resource, and many more. Since past few decades, organizations have grown not only in size but also in numbers. This is because the huge market that they are getting access to due to the concept of globalization. We see that as organizations grow in size, it becomes a challenging task to manage the different types of work that they need to perform under the umbrella of one organization. So, what they do is they make separate departments to perform different activities related to a particular work. लाइक मनी से रिलेटेड सारा वर्क हैंडल करने के लिए एक फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट बना दिया. गुड्स को मैन्युफैक्चर करने का वर्क प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट के पास है. स्टाफ की सैलरीज, अटेंडेंस, लीव्स, ये सब कौन मैनेज करता है? ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट. नाउ हेयर वन थिंग इज़ वर्थ नोटिसिंग कि ये सभी डिपार्टमेंट्स का अकेले एग्जिस्ट करने का कोई रीज़न नहीं है. आई मीन टू से लाइक प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट में जैसे स्टाफ की कमी है तो उसे किससे इंटरेक्ट करना पड़ेगा? HR डिपार्टमेंट से. प्रोडक्शन करने के लिए रॉ मटेरियल्स चाहिए, उसे खरीदने के लिए फंड्स चाहिए, वो कौन देगा? फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट. तो वी सी दैट नो वन डिपार्टमेंट कैन वर्क इन आइसोलेशन टू द अदर. अगर कोई एक डिपार्टमेंट ये सोच ले कि हमें तो किसी दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है तो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. और सोचो कि ये फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट बोल दे कि जाओ हम नहीं देंगे पैसे, अब ये मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट को पैसे देंगे, तो प्रोडक्शन कैसे होगा? तो दोस्तों, इसी तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स को दूर करने के लिए कोऑर्डिनेशन की ज़रूरत है. अगर सब डिपार्टमेंट्स की एक्टिविटीज़ वेल कोऑर्डिनेटेड होंगी, इफ़ दे नो दैट दे ऑल हैव टू वर्क फॉर द फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ सेम ऑब्जेक्टिव, देयर विल नॉट बी एनी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स अमंग डिपार्टमेंट्स एंड द वर्क विल गो ऑन स्मूथली. Second, growth in size. As you can see how the revenues graph of Amazon have grown tremendously over years. This obviously implies that the workforce have increased over these years. We learn that as organizations grow in size, the workforce of the organization increases too. These people often belong to different backgrounds and they have their own wishes too. Example, Domino's has its outlets in so many countries and different regions of the country. Thus, it has employed a number of people from different backgrounds. Being on the post of manager may be one's life goal, while other may long for a job security. Since organizations deal with people of distinct mentalities, the manager needs to ensure that everyone works towards the attainment of one common purpose. Individuals must be working with the fulfillment of organizational goals as their first priority. Last but not the least, specialization. The success mantra of large companies lies in the fact that they perform their work with a high degree of specialization. Be it large e-commerce giants like Amazon and Flipkart or large auto companies like Hyundai and Tata Motors. Such companies hire specialists who are highly competent to perform a particular work. They are masters in their fields. So friends, जब कोई अपने वर्क में इतना स्पेशलाइज्ड होता है तो आप समझ ही सकते हो उसका एटीट्यूड कैसा होगा. ज़्यादा चांसेस यही है कि वो अपने आगे किसी की नहीं सुनेगा उस वर्क को करने के लिए. बट अगर ऐसा एटीट्यूड सभी स्पेशलिस्ट का हो गया तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का क्या होगा? These specialists think that only they are well qualified to perform that work and no one can outperform them. They are not ready to accept any suggestions and stick to their decisions. This gives rise to conflicts among different specialists and other individuals. So, a manager must apply his skills to coordinate the activities of different specialists so that they come to a common decision in favor of the organization. With this, we have completed all the concept of chapter 1, Nature and Significance of Management. I hope all the concepts are clear. Still, if you got any doubts, Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.